Hello everyone, I am Pradnya Gulane from Computer Engineering Department, AISSMS Institute of Information and Technology, Pune. Today I am going to explain Prim's algorithm with example. So before we see example, we will check all the steps of Prim's algorithm. Let G be a connected weighted graph. Then to find out the minimum spanning tree, consider the following steps. Step 1. In step 1, we select any one vertex V0 in graph G. Then in the step 2, we find out a next node Vi, and Vi and V0 is connected by edge Ei, which weight is minimum. In step 3, when we select a new node, that time we check whether the previous node is an element of set T and the new node is not an element of set T, and the edge weight is minimum or as small as possible. And again we check when we add new node or select new edge, that time it do not forms any circuit or cycle. And the last step is repeat step 3 until T contain all the vertices of graph G. So these are the steps of Prim's algorithm. Now we check one example. Now in this example, we have to find out the minimum spanning tree of graph given in following figure using Prim's algorithm, and take A as a starting vertex. So the starting vertex is A. So vertex A is adjacent to the vertex B, D, and F. Among these edges, the minimum weight is 8, so that the starting vertex is A and the next vertex is B, because A to B, the edge weight is 8 only. So the new vertex is B and its edge weight equal to 8. Then in the next step, we check the adjacent of B and A, which are F, D. Here A to F, the edge weight equal to 10. Then B to D, the edge weight equal to 5. And B to C, the edge weight equal to 8. So the minimum edge weight is 5. So new node we select here is D. Now after selecting new node as a D, again we check the next adjacent node, which is F, D, and yes, F and G only. So the minimum weight is 5. So the next node is 5, sorry, F. Now the adjacent node to F is A, but it is already a part of a minimum spanning tree. And if we select A, then it forms a cycle. So we do not consider this edge now. Now the remaining adjacent node is G only. So the next new node is G and its minimum weight equal to 5. So the new edge equal to F to G. Now G is connected to E and C, but the edge weight is equal to C from G to E, and G to C, the edge weight equal to 8. So again we select the minimum weight. So the new node is E, and after that if we select B to E, then it forms cycle. Then so that we select E to C, and its weight is also minimum, which is 6. And here we cover all the points of all the vertices of graph G. So the minimum spanning tree is like this, and its weight equal to 8 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6 equal to 35. So in this way, we can find out minimum spanning tree using Prim's algorithm. Thank you.